Adams here. Welcome to Spice of Life, where I share what's happening in our kitchen to make life and yours more successful. If you like today's video, please hit the like button so that others know to check it out. And if you want more content, please subscribe to our channel. Let's see what's happening in the kitchen today.
Today we'll be making some fresh fried fish here in our kitchen. My husband and I had a great day out on the lake catching fish, and so we're going to cook them all up today. Before we get started cooking though, let's take a look at what ingredients you will need for frying up your fish. This recipe, just to let you know, is a little bit spicy. It's more of a Cajun fried fish, so if you like spicy, I think you will really love it. And it's a great recipe because it can be used for a variety of fish. We're cooking crappie today, but it can also be used on white bass or catfish or any other fish of your choice. To get started, you will need a deep fat fryer with fresh vegetable or corn oil, or you can use a stovetop pan. Just be sure to put enough oil in the pan that the fish will be completely immersed for cooking. The biggest base ingredient for this recipe is the yellow mustard. Add your mustard into a medium-sized mixing bowl. You don't have to measure it out, but I did just to show you about how much I use. I have about a cup here for our 16 fillets. Your other key ingredient is your hot sauce. For the hot sauce, I do about 1/3 of the amount I use of mustard. So here I have 1/3 cup of hot sauce since I had 1 cup of mustard. Go ahead and mix those together until well blended in the bowl. I like to use Tony's Creole seasoning and sprinkle it lightly over the fish fillets. If you like your fish saltier, you might do it a little heavier. I also like to add some to my fish fry mix, which I have put about 4 cups into this mixing bowl. Now this is Zatarain's fish fry mixture I am adding to it, but if you don't have that available, remember you can just use equal parts cornmeal and flour as a replacement and flavor it with your Creole seasoning to your desired liking. Go ahead and put your fish fillets into the mustard mixture and stir them around until they're all well coated. You can then add them one at a time into the fish fry batter mixture, patting them gently to coat them. Once you've coated it, go ahead and put it into your deep fryer basket. Be sure not to overfill your basket or pan so that the fish can cook freely in the oil. I like to do just a single layer at a time. The same would apply if you're cooking on a stovetop pan. You'll know they are done when the fish start to float in the fryer. They will usually take about 4 to 5 minutes depending on how big the fillets are. When they float to the top and they are nice and crispy golden brown, you will know they are done. As you can see, the fish are starting to float more towards the top. Let's take these up and see what they look like. Oh yeah, these look really nice. Let's go ahead and put these onto a plate. Those are going to be so delicious. I put them on a paper towel to drain them and help soak up some of the excess oil. If you break one of them open, you should see a white fluffy fillet inside. If they don't look white and fluffy, you might want to put them back in the oil. I like to serve these with French fries and fresh cut onions. If I may make a recommendation, if you are also frying your French fries, cook them first so they don't get a fishy flavor being cooked in the oil after the fish. And there we have it, fresh southern fried Cajun style fish. I really hope you enjoy it. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button below. If you would like to learn about more recipes from our kitchen, please hit the subscribe button. We look forward to seeing you again. Bye!